do nowadays. Instead of teaching our children to love Allah and His Rasul, so we can find that peace and tranquility and happiness, and to live the way Allah says to live and the Prophet ﷺ told us to live, we teach our children to love wealth, and they will find happiness in being wealthy. What? We teach them that riches give you happiness. Wealth gives you happiness. So then the poor child grows to be a big man. Now all he knows is the price of everything. You ask him the price of a house, he knows it. Price of a car, he knows it. Price of a property, he knows it. Price of this land, he knows it. Price of everything in Walmart and Sam's, he knows it, including Macy and JCPenney. But you ask him about happiness. You ask him about peace. You ask him about tranquility. He doesn't know that. Not happy. My wife not happy. My husband are not happy. My parents I'm not happy. My children I'm not happy. In work I'm not happy. But then what is going on?